Hello everyone! In this video we will draw 5 drawings that begin with the letter D. Let's start with the first one. Can you guess? Let me give you a hint. It's something present in your classroom and also in your bedroom. Did you guess yet? You put your books on it. It's a desk. Let's see the second drawing. It's an animal. It has long ears. What's that? That's a donkey. Let's check this one. It looks like a person. Remember, the name must start with the letter D. It's a person you visit when you're sick. Did you guess? It's a doctor. The fourth one is easy. It's an object with numbers. It looks like a cube. That's a dice. Let's guess this one. It's something that shines. Remember, all our drawing starts with the letter D. That's a diamond. And this is our final drawing. It's a cute little animal. Did you guess? That's a duck. Check our channel for similar videos. See you in the next video.
Bye!